Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. We're here to help you create beautiful spaces and to show you tips to care for your organic, beautiful plants. Fiddle leaves are very popular. Of course, everybody loves fiddle leaves, okay? And one common thing that they have is that with time, people watering them, they often say, what happened with my fiddle leaf? Why do they get those brown spots? Or whether the tips of the leaves are becoming brown or yellow. All right, so here we have a fiddle leaf with that exact situation, okay? You see the leaves have some brownness on the tips like this. In some areas it's a lot more aggressive, okay? In a lot of the cities in the United States, water typically, city water, is typically treated with minerals, chlorine, and other things that, to make it healthy and drinkable. That doesn't necessarily is good for the plants, okay? So what happens is the density of chlorine and other minerals is a lot higher, and plants start to react to that water and react to that chlorine. If you're gonna use that water, just use a container, have it sitting for 24 hours. 24 hours is gonna be good enough for any chemicals, anything that's bad for the plants to evaporate on the air. I want to show you also now how a fiddle leaf, a healthy growing fiddle leaf should look like. Here we're showing you a plant and how it is supposed to look all the time, okay? Yes, some leaves may turn brown and some, but it's because, they're growing. So the older leaves are going to essentially fall off and the new ones are going to grow this way. One symptom of the healthy fiddle leaf is that the leaves are upwards, are growing like this, upwards, okay? If you see a fiddle leaf with the leaves like this, kind of halfway like that, it's not a good sign. That means that they're not, thriving. So this is a sign that the fiddle leaf is growing well, that the water that you're putting, the conditions of the space, the lighting that it's exposed to is just right, okay? So we're gonna be doing the planting for this one so that you guys see how we do it. It's very simple. On this one, we are putting it in a container that's just a ceramic container, okay? So we try to crumble away, okay, as much as we can to free the roots, okay? We crumble away a lot of this, and then that's it. That's pretty much it. Boom. Now eventually this is going to grow out of this container, right? So you remove it and you bring it out to a different container. But right now, just for the sake of you seeing what we're doing, how we do it, we just remove the container and put it in a new one. We don't leave it on that one, and free the roots by crumbling away the soil. Thank you.